So you may have certain files that you may have shared. For example, I can go around over here and then let's say, for example, create out a link by copying out the link. So that link becomes active. But there may be certain files that you may have shared and don't know what they are. So in order to track them and even disable the share link, you can simply go around over here onto the share section. And then what you can do now is go under my links right here. And here you'll be able to see all of the links that you have created and shared. So over here, you can click on share and choose where you want to share the link right here, or even copy out the link if you have forgotten where the share links are. Or if you want to disable out the link, then all you need to do is click on cancel sharing. And there's a notification that pops up that says if you cancel sharing, the link will immediately become invalid. So it's double checking whether you really want to go ahead and disable it. So if I were to click on cancel sharing, then it says cancel right here. Similarly, I can go ahead and cancel out other links that I don't want to share anymore, just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and manage out shared files inside of Terabox. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.